I've been coming to the AgeRejuvenation weight loss program for about two months now. I'm taking the semaglutide and the BioBoost, which helps crave appetite and speed up the metabolism. My family has diabetes running in it, so they're like, I don't, but this will make sure that I don't fall into it. For the first month, I didn't do anything right properly, like with the injections or anything. I completely messed it up and I still lost weight. And then I let them know what was going on because they were checking up, seeing that I wasn't losing as much as I should have. And they called me. I got it on perfectly, like the right way. And I lost 20 pounds in pretty much like 3 weeks. And I'm still going down. My mom, she's in the States, so she sees me and she's like, oh my God, you know, and I see friends every once in a while, they're like, oh, look at you. I'm like, yeah, no. The saying, it works if you work it, is this program. So is it easy? Yes, if you have the right mindset and if you're ready to work. I've tried to diet before and it didn't work, you know, but changing my life for the better does. This place is definitely helping that.